Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Bitcoin from an exchange like Kucoin to a secure hardware wallet like Arculus. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step. It's easier than you think, and by the end, you'll feel confident handling your digital assets. First things first, make sure you have a Kucoin account set up with some Bitcoin in it, and that your Arculus wallet is properly initialized and ready to receive funds. Security is key here, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account. Head over to the website or app, enter your credentials, and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a must for protecting your crypto. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets, or Wallets, section. Here, you'll see your Bitcoin balance. Step 2. Find the Withdrawal option. Look for a Withdraw button next to your Bitcoin holdings. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency, in this case, Bitcoin. Now, enter your Arculus wallet address. This is crucial, so grab it from your Arculus app or device. Make sure it's correct. One wrong character could send your Bitcoin into the void. Step 3. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Kucoin will show you any network fees involved. Bitcoin transactions use the blockchain, so expect a small fee. Review everything carefully, including the destination address and the total amount after fees. If you're happy, hit Confirm, and follow any additional verification steps, like entering a code from your phone. Once you've confirmed, sit back and wait. Withdrawals to Arculus can take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Arculus wallet to confirm when the Bitcoin arrives. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transaction if you're new to this, to ensure everything works smoothly. And remember, crypto is volatile, so handle it with care. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.